Forgotten username recovery failed on Scotiabank US Fix. If you're trying to recover your Scotiabank US username and the process just won't go through, don't worry, this problem is surprisingly common. The reason recovery fails isn't always technical. In most cases, it's due to outdated or mismatched information. Let's walk through how to fix it step by step. Start by visiting the official Scotiabank US website and selecting Forgot Username. You'll be asked to provide key identifying information, your account number, date of birth, and sometimes your registered email address or phone number. Make sure the details match exactly what's in your Scotiabank profile. Even a small variation, like using an old phone number or typing your name differently, can cause the system to fail verification. If you've updated your contact info recently, try using your previous email or phone number instead. The system may still have your old information stored for security reasons. If you're waiting for a recovery email and it hasn't arrived, check your spam or junk folder. Many users overlook this simple step. Also, note that if you've requested recovery more than once, only the latest email link will be active, older ones will automatically expire. If the recovery page keeps giving you errors, clear your browser's cache or try a different device. Browser data or saved autofill details can sometimes interfere with secure form fields. Still can't get through? Contact Scotiabank US customer service at 1-800-472-6842. Their agents can verify your identity over the phone and manually help restore your username. Once you regain access, go to your profile settings and make sure your contact details are correct and up to date. That one quick action can prevent future recovery failures. So, if your Scotiabank US username recovery keeps failing, don't get discouraged. Follow these steps carefully, double check your details, and you'll be back into your account faster than you think.